Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is expressjs full tutorial series for absolute beginners 2025. This is an end-to-end series where you will learn and master expressjs with me. Today is part 1 where we are doing introduction. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start with some basics first. What is expressjs? expressjs is a fast, minimalistic, and flexible Node.js web application framework. We use expressjs to build web applications and RESTful APIs. It's part of the mean stack, where E and N stands for expressjs and Node.js. expressjs is built on top of Node.js, that's why we say Express and Node together. It's built on top of Node.js HTTP module, which simplifies routing, middleware, modules, and much more in order to build robust APIs and the server-side backend. What are some of the features of expressjs? expressjs is lightweight and minimalistic framework. It has inbuilt, robust, powerful routing mechanism which you can easily configure and code to build your backend APIs. It has an excellent support of the middleware, which means there are a lot of modules that you can directly import, include it as part of your middleware. It can easily handle HTTP requests and responses. It also supports templating engines like Pug, EJS, Handlebars. That means you can use the templates dynamically to bind with the data. It can work with any of the databases of your choice. It can work with MongoDB, it can work with MySQL, Amazon RDS, Microsoft any database, or cloud hosted databases, anything. It's scalable for both single page as well as multi page web applications. So basically it's an API endpoint that you can integrate into any of your applications. Now why use expressjs, right? So whenever we talk about mean stack or MERN stack, we use expressjs because it speeds up server side development. The time that it takes to build an API or the entire backend can be reduced to only few days. Okay. It also reduces the boilerplate code compared to native code Node.js. If you have to build your own APIs in Node.js, it will take time. You have to do a lot of things by your own. Whereas ExpressJS has extended, customized, and built on top of Node.js HTTP module. It is excellent for API development. It has the large active community. That means it's in active use. It's one of the powerful stacks that used in many enterprises and large projects. Alright, that's all about ExpressJS that you should know as to why you are learning and what it is part of, which is mean stack. I hope it's clear. I'm sure you're here. That means you want to learn ExpressJS in detail. In the next episode, we start with the installation and set up the endpoints. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.